Google Wallet now allows more people in California, New York, and several other states in between to utilize Android's tap-to-pay system. In an attempt to expand its liaison with more banks across the United States, Google has now added 11 more banks to the list of those supporting Google Wallet's contactless payment system in the country. The indication of the remarkable expansion of Google's contactless payment option follows the addition of 22 banks in January 2025 that work with its digital transactions using Google Wallet. Which new banks support Google Wallet's tap-to-pay payment method? Here's the rundown of the 11 new banks that have been added to the list of banks supporting Google Wallet's contactless payment system. Banco de Vivienda S.A. Florida, Column National Association California, First Atlantic Federal Credit Union, First National Bank of St. Ignace, Michigan, Genesee Valley Federal Credit Union, New York, Gesa Credit Union, Hamlin Bank and Trust Company, Nibbles, Northrop Grumman Federal Credit Union, the Credit Union for All, top-tier Federal Credit Union PA. The tech giant is evidently renowned for reserving resources for the betterment of its flagship projects like Chrome, Android, and YouTube, an array of mega projects to which Google never turns a blind eye. Fortunately, in the wake of rapidly increasing efforts to introduce cashless payment methods globally, Google Wallet now appears as part of those projects for which the Alphabet subsidiary saves its attention and resources. Although the incorporation of only 11 banks this month seems trivial compared to the last month, the development will surely enable more people dwelling in California, New York, and several other states in between to utilize Android's tap to pay with their banks for the first time.